Man, I really love these Blazer Tahoe cons. If I had to have one vehicle to drive every single day, it'd be one of these. Recently, a buddy of mine gave me this truck, and he said, do with it as you please. Make a cool YouTube video, derby it, or something. Well, unfortunately, this thing is far past the point of saving and running, so there's no derbying, no racing, no figure eights, none of that. But I figured I'd at least try and hold up my end of making a video about this thing, and I figured that I'd show off the life of a New England truck. Back in '92, this thing was brand new. This was someone's pride and joy. They bought this thing shining, gleaming off of the dealership. And someone at some point really loved it. You can see they got all sorts of Team Chevelle, Musclepalooza, Lebanon Valley Raceway, Flowmasters, Wayland Motorsports, Big Circle Track guys, Sunoco. So someone got this truck and they were an auto fan. They loved this thing, just like many of these owners had been. Now, as you can see, over the years, someone really tried keeping it going. They patched up all over the rust, tried to get some more stickers on it, but this truck is so seriously rotted. I was just hooking it up. Look at the rust fall off of this thing. You can put your whole fist through the frame. Thing loves it. I don't, but the truck did. The motor, it won't run right now. It's had mice sitting in it. You know, and over the years, someone loved this. They tried to keep it going. They put the work into it. You know, and you can tell it's got a nice clean interior. But the rest of the truck is just too far gone. I thought about doing a frame swap on this or something, but it's just beyond. The interior is just, it's good, but no one's buying. Can't save it all. The shackles are rotted off. You can see some of the repair work. Someone made this body mount, but everything is just rotten. Small gap there, big gap there. The whole truck is just bad. Even like up inside the panels, all in the seams are all rotted. I thought about trying to do some sort of a cool body swap or something, but it's just really beyond that, you know. And so somewhere along the way, from brand new, well loved, you know, the miles got it, and someone tried to keep it going, and it just fell into a state of disrepair, and now it's for parts. A lot of these cars out in the Southwest and the desert regions, they have bad interiors and they rust from the top down, and you know, our vehicles get tried to be well taken care of and preserved as long as they can, and we just live in a really violent region for these vehicles. Try your best to keep them on the road.